But it doesn't matter. It's not like we're really needing another legendary anytime soon. Drop that. But who knows? We may even get another fucking thingy. I just farmed up 300. Oh my god, that is sick, Charlie. How's it going, bro? Come on. Holy fucking shit. This conference call is insane. The dual wield two of these. Oh. You need to put the last one. Oh, okay, right. He's dead. He died. Absolutely got annihilated. Alright. No! No! Tell me we did not just drop a Volcano sniper rifle. Tell me we did not just drop... We dropped the fucking... What is this look? Back-to-back legendaries. What the actual fuck? Guys, this is fucking insane. Anyone that's new to the stream, that is not... This is... No. Legendaries are extremely hard to get. This is not like you kill him and he drops a fucking legendary. This is insane, look. What the actual fuck? So that's 2 back-to-back fucking legendaries. What the actual hell? So that's 2 legendaries down. We only need 3 more. The Impaler, the Leech, and the fucking... oh, I don't even know anymore. I'm so hyped right now. That is